Teď čau lidi, já si tam ještě bude šestě, tady mám experiment, pokus 3 vajca. Jedno je vyfoukli octu. Vyfoukli vajce v octu. Toto je syrový vajce v octu, toto je uvařený. Takže vyfoukli syrový a uvařený v octu, který se to nejdříve rozpustí. A vařil jsem to vejce pomocí rychlovarné konvice a vody. Šlo to úplně v klidu, takže nezapomeňte like a odběrat druhou část, takže čau. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, to my videos again. And our fourth experiment was the 3 eggs. Okay, I will touch it with my hand. Okay. So we've got the egg that was normal egg. Wow. I really don't like it. The normal egg. Now we've got. Oh, it works. Gelatinous egg is real, not fake. Gelatinous egg is real. Whoa, it's impossible. This experiment really worked. Wow, let's take a look at the third one. Which was okay, also gelatinous egg. Not so good, but okay, let's try it. Pop test if it will. Definitely let it, okay. Wow, it was a cooked egg, but this one is a raw egg. Oh, it really popped and nothing. Subscribe for more. I must defeat 4x and dirty my hand. So bye.